Solapur Bio-Energy Systems Pvt Limited (SBESPL), an enterprise of Organic Recycling Systems Pvt Limited, Mumbai, is the first and only plant of its kind in India which operates on the principle of energy through biomethanation based on DRYAD technology. It has a capacity to treat 400 metric tons of mixed solid waste and generate 4 megawatt of power. The vehicles from the municipality are weighed at the weighbridge and also checked for the presence of concrete debris, which, if present, is summarily rejected. The accepted trucks unload the material in the receiving section. The material is then spread out, and inerts like pieces of cloth, leather, glass, etc. are removed manually. The material is then conveyed to the next stage of processing. During the process of conveying, the manual segregation of the inerts takes place simultaneously. The inerts, like small pieces of metal, glass, polythene covers, stones, etc., are handpicked and then dumped into a reject chute for onward transfer to recycling section. The next stage in the process is size segregation and homogenization. The moisture content of the feed is an important parameter for digestion, and it has to be adjusted at this stage only. The process of size segregation, size reduction, homogenization, and moisture control happen in a slow moving drum. The oversized plastic and polythene also get segregated and separated out from the main feed. The discharge of the drum is carried under a magnetic separator which separates out the metallic pieces from the feed. Here we can see the well homogenized feed material being conveyed to the digester. The digester forms the heart of the waste treatment process. The entire process of digestion and production of biogas happen in the digester. The material is pumped to the top of the digester, and then it takes about 21 days for the process to be completed. It is a continuous process with regular feeding and withdrawal of the digested material. The biogas produced is drawn from the top and stored in gas balloons. The undigested and semi-digested material is then drawn from the bottom of the digester and sent to maturation yard for conversion to biocompost. Biocomposting takes about 15 days when the parameters are checked on day-to-day basis, and when stabilized, the compost is screened and packed for dispatch. There is a well-equipped quality control lab for constant checking of the parameters at different stages. The compost produced meets all the parameters as defined by FCO. The entire process is controlled from a central control room equipped with SCADA and advanced DCS. All the parameters are constantly monitored for efficient process control by well-qualified engineers. The biogas stored in the gas holders is conditioned and then sent to the gas engines for conversion to electricity. The gas engines are of 1 megawatt each. The power generated by each engine is synchronized and routed through a step-up transformer for onward transmission to the state electricity board grid. Thus, the DRYAD technology based on biomethanation happens to be the first feather in the cap of sustainable energy from waste, and the plant at Solapur humbly takes credit of being the first plant of its kind in India.